All right, I'm gonna make sausage balls this morning. I've got all my ingredients in here, and I'll put the description put the recipe in the description. And I'm gonna cook these in my sun oven out there. Give me a grinder. And I'm rolling them in little balls. I hope everybody's doing all right this morning. I'm rolling them in, place them in there, put them up that far apart. That way you can help me. I've made these before, and they're so good. I'm gonna take my grandson's here with me, and we're gonna eat some of these, and then I'm making enough to carry to my lady that fixes my hair in the morning. She's been wanting some.
It is hot. Sure is. It is always hot.
Well, thank you.
I can steal more.
Oh, no, that's just fine.
I've not seen
We get 2 more rolls in there.
Anyway, never been.
That is mine.
That's right.
And then we get another roll there.
Came close enough for it.
You are very fast. It's so fast you will not be fast enough to kill a one called Ben Rollins when he comes looking for you.
Oh, my bad. You know Rollins, do you?
Everybody in Zavala knows.
Wait a minute.
Seems that way.
Would be wise if you went away before he comes back. He is a much bigger bandido than Urato.
That's all.
Now Urato is like everybody else. He doesn't like that. Besides, he's bleeding again. My mother could bandage it for you. Maybe give you some beans and meat. Even a place to sleep. Until Ben Rollins comes back.
That sounds mighty good, but what about your father? What do you think?
Father is dead. Urato killed him. My house there's just my mother and me. It is not far from here.
By golly, that sounds mighty good. They could use a good meal, too.
I'll help you.
Thank you. What's your name, young fella?
Papa, what's yours?
Well done.
It was lucky I came along.
Sure was.
Follow your instinct, it won't let you down. I just paid for it too. Tonight at 10, 9 Central. Begin to struggle to get into the top.
All right, I'll bring you back in just a minute because I'll turn that off. That's that top right here. All right, I've already got it up to 250 degrees. Okay, just sit them down in there. It's hot, isn't it?
It is hot.
All right. I'm gonna cook these for a little while and I'll bring you back. Let me get that over there. Yeah, pull this one over on this end down. Pull them over a little bit.
There now. There.
All right. Hold that a minute. All right, I'm gonna let them cook till they get done, and I'll bring you back. All right, I'm gonna transfer these to my plate.
He's gone. He was looking for you. You wanted to say goodbye.
Give me that other plate of. Let me get this. Alright, there they are. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video. Thank y'all so much for watching.